The hurricane, which struck Puerto Rico 5 years after Hurricane Maria wreaked havoc on the island, smashed up asphalt from highways, washed away a significant road bridge, shut down airports, flooded cars, and dumped so much rain that some rivers rose 20 feet in a matter of hours. In addition to devastating flooding and landslides on the island, Hurricane Fiona left the majority of Puerto Rico without electricity on Sunday as it made its way toward the Dominican Republic.
Bien. Dile a Moncita que por favor yo me vine aquí.